I learned English faster than anyone expected. 2 years ago, I was afraid of English, not because it was difficult, but because I believed I wasn't good enough. When someone spoke English near me, I stayed silent. I understood some words, but fear blocked my voice. I told myself, maybe English is not for me. But one night, everything changed. I was watching a video. The person said something simple. Confidence comes from action, not perfection. That sentence hit me deeply. I realized I had been waiting to feel ready, but ready never comes. So I made a promise to myself. Every single day, I would spend just 15 minutes with English. Not hours, not pressure, just consistency. I listened to English while walking. I repeated sentences quietly. I spoke to myself when no one was around. At first, it felt uncomfortable. My pronunciation was bad. I made many mistakes, but I didn't stop. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. And slowly, English stopped feeling scary. I began to understand more. I began to speak more. Then one day, something unbelievable happened. Someone asked me a question in English, and I answered without translating, without fear, without thinking. In that moment, I realized the truth. English was never the enemy. Fear was, and once fear disappeared, English became a part of me. You don't need talent. You don't need perfect grammar. You need one thing: the courage to start. Your new life can begin with just one sentence. Start today.